Hi everyone and welcome to mantra number 26. Whew. From where to where. And this has only happened because I strongly believe I love doing what I do. And in this last 25 weeks of posting mantras, most of the times people come and ask me, obviously there are a lot of questions, there's a lot of queries, there's a lot of doubts. But along with that, there's been a very common line which a lot of people have been stating either in the comment section or on the personal message is, ma'am, कैसे करते हो आप और क्यों करते हो? क्यों का जवाब I think I gave few days back in the reel, but I think it's very similar to कैसे करते हो. I think I am able to do this is because I really love doing it. It is not out of a compulsion of doing. It is not because, oh my God, my work requires this to do. But I really believe anything you do in life, and you will always be consistent, you will always do it brilliantly, you would be successful in doing it when you start loving to do. Don't be manipulative in doing something. Don't do because somebody else is doing. A lot of mistake which I see today generation, not only today's generation but everybody does, they try and copy a lot. Like if I made a reel, okay, chalo इसने बनाया तो मुझे भी बनाना है, okay? Or if I bought something, she bought, so I also have to buy. It is not necessary to duplicate everything when you're not meant for it. See, the word duplication meant that I love this thing and that's why I want to copy it, I want to duplicate it. I don't want to do it only because I'm jealous of it or I'm insecure of it or I just want to do what she does. I think it is very important for all of us, you, me and the world, to realize that कुछ भी करना है ना तो इसलिए करना है क्योंकि हमें बहुत मोहब्बत है उस चीज़ से. The day you understand what do you really like, what do you really love and what do you really enjoy doing, you will be at your best. So I do this because I really love and enjoy sharing my experiences with you all. So do it because you love it. Don't do it because somebody is asking you to do it or it is a compulsion to do it. And you will see when somebody who does it with love does it, there's a lot of difference with somebody who's just doing it for the sake of doing it. Okay? So mantra number 26, do what you really love to do and you will excel in that.